iRecord St. Helena is a digital platform created to collect, manage, and share biological records of St. Helena's wildlife. The platform is accessible to anyone and available as both a website and a mobile app, making it easy for users to log wildlife sightings from anywhere. The overall goal of iRecord St. Helena is to build a comprehensive picture of St. Helena's unique flora and fauna. The journey of iRecord St. Helena began with funding from the EU BEST 2.0 project, which laid the groundwork for the platform and involved setting up the online database, the web portal, and the mobile app. By February 2023, iRecord St. Helena was officially launched. Following this, we moved into Darwin Local 27, which built upon the foundation set by the BEST 2.0 project. In April 2024, we started a Darwin Local 90 in a collaboration with the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds and the St. Helena National Trust. Now, moving on to the key features of iRecord St. Helena. Firstly, the website, a central hub for recording, managing, and accessing biodiversity data. It's designed to support everyone from casual recorders to researchers. Its flexibility caters to different recording needs and allows for more complex data entry compared to the mobile app. The website offers tools for custom-made filters and mapping layers, allowing users to get the most out of their data. Next, the mobile app, designed to be user-friendly and accessible. The simplified recording form process allows users to easily navigate through a simple form to log their sightings, prompting users to fill in essential details needed to capture a meaningful record. Including features like capturing the location of each sighting using GPS, users can record sightings even when they don't have internet access, and the photo upload features allows users to attach images to their records. Now, let's take a look at how data flows through the system, from initial user input to final outputs that support decision-making. On the left, we start with users and contributors. These can be anyone who observe wildlife on St. Helena and submit their sightings. They can input data through the mobile app, the website, or by importing data via a CSV, depending on the method that works best for them. Once the data is submitted, it moves to the validation and processing stage. This is a critical part of the system, where the system performs automatic validation checks. Processed data is stored in the central database, acting as a hub, enabling easy access and retrieval for different stakeholders. Once online, verification is available by relevant taxonomic specialists. From there, the data is pushed to the output stage. This is where the real-world impact happens. The data is used to create maps, graphs, and reports. Additionally, the data is shared as open datasets, depending on the data owner, empowering researchers, policymakers, and conservationists to access and utilize the information for further studies. What makes iRecord St. Helena different? The centralization of iRecord St. Helena brings together data into a single system, enabling reduced fragmentation. With a central repository, we now have a larger and more comprehensive pool of data to build upon. Another important benefit is the reduction of duplication. Centralization also simplifies management. Instead of maintaining several disconnected data repositories, having everything in one system allows for streamlined operations. Centralization allows us to enforce data validation rules. One of the key features that sets iRecord St. Helena apart is that it's built on open source software called Indicia, a toolkit that simplifies the development of online biological recording solutions, avoiding the need to reinvent the wheel for each new project. Meaning the system is highly customizable to meet the dynamic and evolving needs of our users. It eliminates the high costs associated with closed source software licensing and maintenance. This makes a more cost-effective solution, ensuring that resources we have can be directed towards enhancing functionality and supporting the community. The website includes basic analysis tools that allows users to explore trends in the data. These tools provide the opportunity to monitor changes in species abundance and the distribution over time. One example of the functionality is the ability to generate reports based on specific criteria. This helps users drill down into the data to answer targeted questions or support specific projects. In this particular example, you can see temporal distribution data for the humpback whale. This summary shows the number of sightings over different periods, providing a snapshot of how frequently the species has been recorded. The platform allows users to both enter and access records remotely, providing you with flexibility and convenience. With iRecord St. Helena, you can record data in real time while out in the field, ensuring that observations are captured. Additionally, the system's online accessibility means that anyone, whether on island or overseas, can explore their own records or the collective dataset from anywhere in the world. Next, data collection and importance. One of the most exciting aspects of iRecord St. Helena is its ability to engage a wide range of people in biodiversity recording. The platform is designed to be user-friendly by offering both web and mobile-based tools. We've made it easy for anyone to contribute. To support this, we run demonstration sessions with groups like tour guides, conservationists, and the wider community. These sessions not only teach people how to use the system, but also show them how their contributions can make a real difference. What's more, we actively recognize and celebrate our recorders through the iRecord St. Helena newsletter and spotlight. We share their contributions, keeping the community connected. Supporting data providers and collaborating with local experts are central to the success of iRecord St. Helena. Since the inception of the BEST 2.0 project, we've held numerous workshops to engage with researchers, conservation groups, and experts. These sessions have been tailored to meet different needs, from small focus groups to larger sessions, allowing to share knowledge and gain user feedback. Supporting data providers is a key part of our work, and we've been fortunate to collaborate with organizations like the Environmental Management Division, the St. Helena National Trust. These groups are regularly out in the field collecting large volumes of data, and our role is to ensure that they have the tools and knowledge to do this effectively when using iRecord St. Helena. An aspect of continuously developing a system which requires feedback from these partners. For example, we're collaborating on the development of specialized reporting forms, like the Sea Collection Form, which will be used to monitor and manage data from the Environmental Management Division's seed collection efforts. This kind of collaboration ensures that iRecord St. Helena can evolve to meet the unique needs of conservation work on St. Helena, while supporting long-term biodiversity monitoring. Here we see how the number of records submitted to iRecord St. Helena has evolved over the past few years. The dramatic increase in 2023 was a direct result of the Darwin Local 27 project, where primary focus was on internal data processing and validating historical data sets. This effort enabled us to significantly grow the volume of records, which greatly enhanced our biodiversity monitoring capacity. In 2024, however, we've seen a decrease in submissions. This is due to the ongoing work of the Darwin Local 90 project, which focuses on bird conservation efforts and the management of more targeted data for specific conservation goals. As a result, fewer resources have been directed towards general data collection, which naturally impact the submission numbers. Nonetheless, we continue to benefit from citizen science contributions in 2024, even with fewer formal records being submitted. Local volunteers and visitors are actively participating by submitting wildlife sightings, helping to maintain the flow of data. This trend highlights the dynamic nature of biodiversity monitoring, and we hope to continue sharing longer-term trends with the public over time. iRecord St. Helena offers support in decision-making for both environmental management and land use planning. One of the most powerful features of the system is the ability to filter species records by national conservation areas and land development control areas on the island. This enables decision makers to access critical information on species abundance and occurrences, helping them to make more informed decisions about where to focus conservation efforts. Additionally, iRecord St. Helena has supported the red listing of the invertebrate species, as well as supporting St. Helena's terrestrial invertebrate conservation strategy. Ultimately, iRecord St. Helena empowers stakeholders with the data needed to make well-informed, evidence-based decisions that both benefit the community and the environment. The Darwin Plus Local 90 project is a collaborative effort with our project partners, the RSPB and the St. Helena National Trust. The project represents a vital component of the iRecord St. Helena initiative, aiming to improve how bird data on St. Helena is collected, accessed, and utilized to support conservation efforts. Like any complex project, we've encountered challenges, such as locating historical data sets and understanding data access restrictions. Despite these challenges, we've made significant progress. We've cataloged 27 data sets related to wirebirds and seabirds, which are critical for ongoing conservation efforts by the National Trust. Additionally, we recently hosted 2 successful weeks of workshops on data collection, management, and analysis, delivered by our RSPB partners, Luba and Harry. These workshops have been invaluable in equipping our team with the skills needed to drive the project forward. As we move forward, our focus will be on processing priority data sets and developing new recording form technology to streamline and enhance data collection efforts for the National Trust. We appreciate your time and interest in iRecord St. Helena. If you'd like to stay updated on our progress, upcoming events, and the latest news, please sign up for our newsletter. Simply scan the QR code below to join our community.